We think we know people, but we don't. Every single person that we may judge is going through their own personal problems as well. What does lead to self-destructive behavior in youth? It is society. Bullying and harassment from society. Telling the youth what they have to do and how they have to always be perfect is what causes anxiety and mental health disorders in youth, that causes them to be self-destructive. It is not an easy thing for the youth today to always have to be perfect and to think that even if they make one tiny mistake, they will be a disappointment to society. Approximately 1.9 million youth today are diagnosed with depression. 1 in every 5 teens face anxiety. Depression and anxiety not only cause mental harm, but many youth turn to ways of physical self-harm as well. Many youth do not want to accept that they have mental health disorders because society considers it a taboo. And the youth that do ask for help aren't given any. People look the other way, saying that depression and anxiety isn't real and that they are faking it or seeking attention. What is the youth supposed to do if not self-destruct? There is no one that helps us. There is no one that sees the real us. We feel that we are pushed down by the norms of society. We feel that we are silenced and that we have no right to speak. We feel that there is no hope. No matter how hard we try, at one point we are bound to lose hope. According to the World Health Organization, there are 700,000 people to commit suicide each year. I don't want to live in a world where I am not given my basic right to speech, where it is wrong to not be perfect. I don't want to lose hope. I want to believe that as a youth myself, I don't have to be self-destructive. I want to believe in a world that helps and cares for its youth. I want to believe in hope. How do we stop this self-destructive behavior in youth, you ask? There is only one simple answer, and that is help. Help the youth believe in themselves. Trying to be perfect is truly a task, so I tell myself not to be me. I get up every day and put on a mask so that a smiling face is what you see. But no one sees the pain underneath. No one sees the scars. Our voice is hidden beneath while we're locked behind bars. I'm tired of our voices not being heard. They tell us to shut up. But we will fly like a bird that soars high up. This time they will not leave. They'll try and do their best to help. So let us try and believe in ourselves. We will stand in unity. This time we will be able to cope. Because this time you'll see, we will have wings made of hope. Don't try to make a better tomorrow. This is a favor I ask of you. Try to make a better today, and I'll try to do it too.